Hi guys! Again, welcome to my YouTube channel, Math with Teens. Our topic for today is all about special right triangles. So we have two special right triangles. The first one is the 45 degrees, 45 degrees, 90 degrees. So we have right triangle theorem and its proof. Okay guys, in 45 degrees, 90 degrees right triangle theorem, so we have a right triangle here. So we have 45 degrees in this acute angle and also 45 degrees here. And this is the symbol of right angle. So we have the measure of this side. This is 5 centimeters. This is also 5 centimeters. So they are the same because the angles are also the same. So our hypotenuse is x centimeters. So we need to find the value of x, the measurement of this side. So to get the measure of this side, we are going to use the Pythagorean theorem. Yes. So we have x squared is equal to 5 squared plus 5 squared. So now, in 5 squared, so 5 squared comes from here 5 and the other 5 squared comes from here 5. So what will be the 5 times 5? So 5 times 5 is 25. And also the other one is 5 times 5 is equal to 25 also. And then 25 plus 25 is equal to 50. After that, we are going to extracting square roots. So both sides, we are going to get the, we are going to extracting the square root, both sides. So when we have a square root here, so you need to cancel this. So it becomes x is equal to the square root of 50. Then square root of 50 has no perfect square. We need to get the factors. So the factors are 25 times 2. So 25 has a perfect square. So what is the square root of 25? So the square root of 25 is 5. So the answer is x is equal to 5 square root of 2 centimeters. So this will be 5 square root of 2 centimeters. Okay, that will be the size of the measurement of the hypotenuse. Now, let us prove the formula. Let us derive the formula of this 45, 45, 90 degrees right triangle theorem. So, from the Pythagorean theorem, so we have x squared is equal to a squared plus a squared. This is the same because the measurement of this is also the same. And now we're going to add a squared plus a squared is equal to 2a squared. Then, we're going to extracting the square root. So, extracting the square root, so we need to cancel the squared and square root. So, it becomes x is equal to, so this is a perfect square. You need to cancel this. So, we have a square root of 2. So, 2 has no perfect square. So, now, this will become the formula for getting the hypotenuse. Square root of 2 times the leg. Okay, let us state the formula. Okay, in 45, 45, 90 right triangle. So, in this right triangle, the hypotenuse, this one, if you are going to get the hypotenuse, so the hypotenuse is square root of 2 times each leg. Each leg means one leg only. So, it becomes h is equal to a square root of 2. Then, each leg is, so how can we get the leg? So, each leg is square root of 2 over 2 times the hypotenuse. So, the formula is the hypotenuse square root of 2 over 2. Here are the examples. Let us find the hypotenuse. So, these are right triangle, yes. So, we have 45, 45, 90, right triangle. So, we're going to find the hypotenuse if your leg is 8 centimeter. So h is equal to a square root of 2. A is the leg. So a is 8. So it becomes 8 square root of 2. So that will be the answer for the hypotenuse. How about the next one? Our given of A is, or leg is 4 square root of 2 centimeters. So our h is equal to a square root of 2. We are going to substitute a, 4 square root of 2 into a. So it become 4 square root of 2 times square root of 2. Then we are going to multiply square root of 2 times square root of 2 is square root of 4. Then square root of 4 is 2. Then 4 times 2 is 8. So your hypotenuse here is 8. This will become 8. You just only multiply by square root of 2. Okay, another example. So find the leg. No? So this is find the leg naman. So if you find the leg, our given is the hypotenuse. So again, our formula is h square root of 2 over 2. So a, so this is your a. Then hypotenuse is 8. So substitute. So 8 square root of 2 over 2, then divided. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So the answer is 4 square root of 2. So the answer for this is 4 square root of 2. Or just simply divide it into 2, then write square root of 2. Okay. Okay, how about letter B? Our hypotenuse is 6 square root of 2. Then 6 square root of 2 times square root of 2 all over 2. Then 6 square root of 4, because square root of 2 times square root of 2 is square root of 4. Then square root of 4 is 2. Then 6 times 2 is 12. Then 12 divided by 2 is 6. Our leg is 6. Okay, in this part, let us answer this. Find the missing part of the triangle. So suppose we have the A is for the leg, and this is the hypotenuse. Okay, number 1, 5 square root of 3. Your leg is 5 square root of 3. So our formula again is A square root of 2. So meaning multiply 5 square root of 3 in square root of 2. So we have the answer is 5 square root of 6, because square root of 2 times square root of 3 is square root of 6. So you have to write 5 square root of 6. Next, 10. Your hypotenuse is 10. So you are going to multiply in square root of 2 over 2. So when we divide, 10 divided by 2 become 5. Then we have 5 square root of 2. The answer is 5 square root of 2. How about 17? Just multiply square root of 2. So 17 square root of 2. 16 square root of 2. So multiplying by square root of 2 over 2. So this is your 16 square root of 2 over 2. So you have to cancel only the square root of 2. And that becomes 16. Okay. And the last one is 9 square root of 3 become 9 square root of 6. So that is the how to get the missing part of the triangle in 45, 45, 90 right triangle. Okay, that's all for today, guys. So thank you for watching and God bless.